Alright, here we go. We got one box of Topps Chrome, not with the relic, but hopefully we get an autograph from there. And then we got, this was the same store, 3 rack packs or value packs. And then the next store we got 2 more value packs and 2 contenders. Hopefully get an autograph out of these. I was looking for the Target exclusive contenders, like mini hobby box, but they didn't have it. So here we go. Let's do the contenders first. What was he gonna say? I don't even know. Let's just get this underway. Oh, I was gonna. They had the rack packs. I saw Strata rack packs, and it also had 3 like different parallels. And I was gonna get them because it said they were $5, but I then saw the Chrome rack packs, and they also were under a thing with $5. So I quickly realized that it wasn't the right thing, and they were both 10. So I put the Strata back. Because for $5, that's sweet, but I don't really want anything else if it's $10. Alright, hopefully we get a playoff ticket or something, or a numbered insert, something different than base. Roddy White, got Jason Witten, Jamal Charles, Larry Fitzgerald, Julius no longer on the Broncos, Thomas, CJ Spilla, DeMarco Murray now on the Eagles, Antonio Brown, Russell Wilson. I'm not going to say everyone who got traded because that would take too long, because everyone, or picked up by somebody else. Drew Brees, we got round numbers, just a random base. Brandon Cooks and Kelvin Benjamin, round 1, nice. Brian Hoyer, Mike Williams, Andy Dalton, Alshon Jeffrey, Geno Smith, Jimmy Graham, Torrey Smith, Danny Amendola, Jordy Nelson, Cecil Shorts, LaShawn McCoy, and a Kid Reporter card. It's going to you, Rasmus. Alright, let's do the second one. Not expecting anything out of here. But, you know, contenders is they're really sweet cards, so maybe try to collect a base set or something. Or not, or just collect anything. It's 130 for a hobby box, so I don't know. Maybe I'll collect the autographs through the mini hobby boxes if I ever find them. Those are 50, you get 2 relics and an auto. Alfred Morris, but the relics are worthless. Zach Stacy, Gronk, Golden Tate, Chad Henne, Vernon Davis, Deshaun Jackson, Tavon Austin, Thomas Brady, Matthew Stafford, a nice, what are these, legendary contenders, John Elway, not numbered or anything. There are colored versions of those, but those are just the inserts. Kid Reporter, throw that in the trash. Nick Foles, Reggie Wayne, Ryan Matthews, Doug Martin, Adrian Peterson, nice Ruben Randall, Mike Wallace, Trent Richardson, Malcolm Floyd, Vincent Jackson, and Rookie of the Year, Derek Carr. Regular insert. Alright, so that's contenders. Now for some rack backs. These are the ones from the second Target. Okay. So yeah, they come in this with the security tag, so I'm going to put the orange ones down and do these 3 packs first. Just really want something nice colored. Well, obviously I want an autograph, but I'm just looking for some color right now. I don't expect an autograph. Yahweh Smallwood, Allen Robinson, don't think I actually have this one. A refractor, Jalen Saunders. Yeah. And Marshawn Lynch. So, you know, I said I don't care about refractors. I kind of do now, because I'm collecting the whole set, so. I have an Excel spreadsheet that basically just says, like, the person and then, like, all the colors and shit. And I put an X next to what they have, or what I have of them, so. I started caring. CJ Federovich. Nice. Mini Blake Bortles. Don't have that. Gronk, and Jordy Nelson. These are just, I say this all the time, these are just too fun. Oh, we got a X-Fractor, I think. Brandon Cooks, and I think that green is Walmart exclusive, and there's like red, no, not red, red's numbered to like 5. Purple, maybe Walmart or Target exclusives, I don't know. D'Anthony Thomas, Cameron Jordan X-Factor, and Aaron Rodgers. Oh, there we go. Alright, first one. Jadeveon Clowney, nice. Damian Williams. And Xavier Grimble, sweet, Giant. Not that he's ever played on the Giants, but he's still technically a Giants card. Alright, next. Imagine if they had like orange autographs in there, that'd be fucking dope. Kareem Martin. Oh, I guess not. Green. Green Russell Wilson. Guess green's everywhere. That's a lot of names. Dominique Raj-Kumari. Just pulling a peek of. Next. D'Anthony Thomas. Fedorovich, X-Factor of Vincent Jackson, and Josh Gordon. I'm getting to the point where I have a lot of extras, definitely a lot of extra base, a bunch of refractors and a couple X-Factors and stuff like that I will be willing to trade. Alright, we got something right there. Might be a die cut. That is a die cut. Alright, we got Shaq Evans, Jordan Matthews. I actually think I have this one. Robert Herron refractor. Let's see how they're like different. And Tamba Hali. Alright, let's do this. I got the Odell orange, right? I think I need a Mettenberger orange. I bought a green and a purple on eBay that you guys saw. You guys saw everything. I've never bought a pack of this out and didn't film it. There's ones that I have before this that you'll see probably before or after this. You've either already seen it or it's coming up next. Before I went on spring break, I didn't upload it though. DeAndre Hopkins orange, Torrey Smith orange, and Marshawn Lynch orange. Those are nice. Lynch and Smith are cool. Alright, more. I'm feeling an auto. Come on. For a nice color. Feeling something good out of this. Henry Josie. Green Roby. Phillip Rivers and Tom Brady. Odell, Jason Verrett, X-Factor of Andy Dalton, and Geno Smith. Maybe not something nice out of this one. Arthur Lynch, Yaween Smallwood. Matt loves this guy, and I just realized that, not just now, but like a week ago, that he went to Connecticut. So, UConn. Wow, that didn't, there you go. Huskies, refractor of Kevin Norwood, and Desmond Bryant. Boom. Henry Josie, Arthur Lynch, and there he is, Yaween Smallwood from Connecticut. 3 shitty players, but whatever. We gotta collect them all, right? And the Ash Ketchum with Topps Chrome. video's already 10 minutes and I haven't even opened the box yet. Latimer, Clowney, Forte, Refractor, and Andre Johnson. Sammy Watkins, Brandon Coleman, X-Factor, Bruce Ellington, and Matt Forte again. Come on, Holly. Please, hook me up with something. Terrence West, Jason Morrow insert. Oh, what am I doing? Tom Brady, Refractor, and DeMarco Murray. Safarian Jenkins orange, Taylor Lewan, the wrong Titan, and Scott Crichton, just the wrong guy. He's the wrong Viking. Alright, here we go. Quick. AJ McCarron. There we go. Camo LaShawn McCoy. Don't have to hate him anymore. And under that is a Marquise Lee X-Factor. The camo is 149 out of 499. Finally. And it's numbered. J. I Suck Cutler. Marquise Lee. I feel like this is going to have a lot of color in it. Hopefully, colored auto. Am I that lucky? Another wrong Titan, Bishop Sankey. Die cut of Jadeveon Clowney, not sure if I have that one. Refractor of Des Bryant. And Phil Rivers, hold on. Where's that other Des Bryant? Okay, never mind. Thought it was a different. Okay. Never mind. Alright, last pack of the rack packs. We got Dree Archer, Michael Sam. Ooh, we got a blue wave. Giovanni Bernard. What is the odds of a blue wave autograph? Probably not likely. And it's not. The Darius Perkins. Not numbered. Alright, let's do the orange. Boom. Kareem Martin. Latarius Perkins. Anthony Barr. Wow, those three were horrendous. Alright, let's move on. Let's do this, come on. One rip, come on, one take Tiger. Boom, opened. I just don't get why Target doesn't have the relics. Whoa, there was a purple parallel. I didn't even know they did that. Okay, so that's how you get the purple parallels. Knew it was something. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right. Shouldn't be 20 bucks. Purple parallels are probably not like relics. Like, I'd rather get a relic, but like, come on. They're both 20. Guess you get 3, whatever. D'Anthony Thomas. Nice tall boy of Derek Carr. Don't have that. Sheldon Richardson and Frank Gore. Frank the Rhino. Fedorovich. Nice. Pink Bishop Sankey. Again, the wrong Titan, but we got a refractor Marquise Lee and Fontez Burfict. Alright, let's see. 110 out of 399 for the breast cancer awareness. Pink variation. There we go, I'm already liking that. We're getting something big, come on. Fails. Buchanan. Jalen Saunders, X-Factor. And, no. Anquan Bolden, base. Hate when they don't rip fully. Jalen Saunders. Nice. Fantasy Focus. Jamal Charles. Ndamukong Suh and Jordan Cameron. Jeff Matthews, Mike Evans, I think I have that. Eric Ebron Refractor, and Jay I Suck Cutler. But give me an auto so I don't have to want more and stop at my Walmart when I get back to my school. Van Noy, Mike Evans, Jeff Matthews X Factor, and Roddy White. Put that over there because I don't want to see whose card it is, but I saw that there was a name. Alright, we got a green. Hopefully it's an auto. Let's just pretend it is. Troy Polamalu, Andre Johnson, Paul Richardson, and boom, Ryan Matthews. Alright. Let's see who the first one is. First one is Robert Mathis. Robert Mathis purple. Poiple. Alex Smith Poiple. Oh, there's 4 in here. Geno Smith. And Navarro Bowman. So that is everything. Probably make another card video soon.